All right, so with your blog's name chosen, it's time to get serious and to register your own domain name. Yes, we got to get this blog in the game. So your domain name is going to be the address that you type into your browser to access your site, such as andreaboulder.com. So just to recap, you want to make sure that your blog name is memorable. It is aligned with your brand. It's easy to spell, easy to remember. It matches your blog's name, and you want it to be a .com. So when it comes to registering your domain name, you've basically got two choices. Number one, you can get one through a domain registrar such as GoDaddy. Now, it is also possible to purchase your domain names through your web hosting, such as HostGator or Bluehost. And typically, they'll offer you a free domain name when you sign up for their hosting account. But I don't like to do this, and I'll tell you why. There are arguments for and against each option, whether you should just go ahead and get your domain name with your hosting or have it separate. But the reason that I want it separate is because I do not want to be tied or have my domain name and my web hosting service tied to the same company. So if I decide that I want to do something different, or if my web hosting account goes down or if there's a problem with it, then I have access still to my website or to my domain name, and then I can redirect or make any appropriate adjustments based on what it is that I need to do. So because you have your domain name with your web host and you decide that you want to move it elsewhere because you're unhappy with their service or for whatever reason, your host may have conditions that prevent you from doing this. So you want to make sure that you just keep those separate. So that's why I like to purchase my domain name through GoDaddy and then also have a domain or a web hosting through another company, which is HostGator. Now for your domain name, you can expect to pay anywhere between $10 and $15 per year for registration. But you can actually look online and search GoDaddy coupon codes, and you can get it for as low as 99 cents. So you just got to get online and search for those coupon codes, and then you can apply that coupon code during checkout to make sure that you get your discount. Okay. So what you want to do is you're going to go to GoDaddy.com and search for your full name or whatever it is, whatever name it is that you want your blog to be. So I already have my blog, andreaboulder.com. So I'm going to walk you through the process of purchasing a domain that I will use for an upcoming product. Now from here, you want to continue to registration. You want to purchase your domain name. So you don't need all of these add-ons here. So we'll just scroll past that, click continue to cart. And if you want to make your domain private where people don't have access to your name, your address, and any other personal information, you can actually get for $7.99 a year, you can have this option here to make your domain private. We're not going to do that right now. We're going to proceed to checkout, and it will take you through the payment process. And we'll purchase through PayPal. Place our order. Let's review our order. Make sure your domain name is spelled correctly, and then go ahead and place your order. All right, and then you're all done. So in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through choosing your web hosting and getting that all set up, and then connecting your new blog domain name to your web hosting account.